All right, guys, let's just get into the video, okay? So, y'all, this coffee is so good. So good. So, let's just get into this thrifted home decor haul. I think you guys are going to love it. Uh, most of the items came from most of the items came from Goodwill, Habitat for Humanity, and that's it. Okay, we're going to get started. So, in this bag here, guys, this stuff is from Goodwill and Goodwill and Habitat for Humanity. Sorry about that. So the first thing that I picked up were these really nice if you can see like the distressed decoloration, really pretty wood cups. Y'all, I'm trying to go for a more eco-friendly lifestyle. I think it's good for us to do that. I think it's good for the environment. I'm just trying to be as healthy and be good to myself as I can. So that is the reason why I have most of the items that you're going to see today. So like I said, these were 60 cents a piece. And I can't wait to get this stuff washed out so I can put it up where it belongs because it's been sitting in the closet because I wanted to show it and have it for you guys in this video. So yeah, these were 60 cents a piece. And I just love the distressed wood on them. So nice. That is so pretty. Okay, so the next item that I picked up was this really nice, it has some stuff on it. This really nice plate. This is really pretty to me, y'all. It goes really well with the distressed looking cups. The pattern of the wood is very pretty. This was $1.21. Look how cute, look how pretty that is. Really nice, really nice. So I got that. So then, last but not least, I got candles. This candle is by Threshold. It's vanilla and Tahitian something. I can't see that, y'all. But this was only 30 cents, if you could see that, 30 cents. And it smells really good. And it was barely lit. So, want to show you guys what you can do when you buy candles when you thrift candles like this, that you can use them again in something else. Instead of trying to find a glass jar for it, you'll see what I'm saying. Then also I found this one for Habitat for Humanity. I don't know how it ended up in this bag. But this is a, hold on guys, let me put my glasses on. This is a Time Elegance candle, Fall Forest Scented Votive. This is for the fall, guys. This was 25 cents, if you can see. 25 cents for this votive, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. So I got that, this candle. So let's get on over to some other things that I got from Habitat for Humanity. I got this from Habitat for Humanity, guys. This is really cute to me. It's like a rustic, kind of like glam because of the way that it has the patterns on here. So this was 25 cents if you're wondering. So my plans for this is I'm going to take my soap and my hand soap and dish liquid soap that's on the sink, and I'm going to put them both in each one of these compartments here. Let's take the sticker off. But like I said, 25 cents from Habitat for Humanity. 25 cents. So that can go. So yeah, I thought it was really pretty. I think it's really nice, y'all. Look at that. Really nice. So yeah. Another thing I got from the Goodwill was this really nice, no, this came from Habitat for Humanity, y'all. This was $2. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. This was $2. Y'all know I needed this. Y'all already know she loves her plants, and I'm going to be doing my plants with this, and I needed one just like this. I've been looking for one for a very long time and was never able to find one. So now that I have one, my babies should be doing very well. I mean, they were already doing well already, but this is going to help me, help them do better. So yeah, there's a hidden like thing in here because I was wondering how did that come out, but there's a hidden hole in there that the water comes out because I had the guy in the store, he tried it for me. So yeah, guys, I got that for $2. I picked up this from Goodwill. Now this was half off, guys. This is Acacia wood and soft brass. This was $1.25, guys. It was originally $2.50, if you could see. I got it for $1.25. Beautiful distressed wood, like it says around here on the sides. Really nice, y'all. Has brass. This is a jewelry holder. So this is what I'll be showing you guys. I'm going to do another video of actually where I put all the items that I thrifted, so you guys can see how everything's going to tie in together. But I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. So gorgeous. So yeah, I got that from Goodwill. Let me get a sip of coffee because this coffee is so good. Y'all go get y'all some pumpkin spice. Just warms me up. So I got this for, I think it was $1. I can't remember, like, oh, I got it when I got this. I don't know why it was in a separate bag, but this is a plate, a wooden plate. Isn't that pretty, y'all? Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. So do y'all see? Do y'all see what I'm going for? Look at that. So nice. And you can decorate this up. You can glam it up. You can farmhouse it. You can monorize it. You can do the, what is that, restoration hardware, all that. You can combine all of this together. So this is another plate I got. This one was actually more, y'all, than this one, which I mean, was less than this one. So, because this one was $1.21. So I got that. I also picked up this really nice muted brass votive candle holder. Guys, it's a really nice size, as you can see. It's really pretty. This was this was from Goodwill, and this was $1.10. It was originally $2.19, but I got it for $1.10. So, guys, remember I told you this candle here, this is going in the kitchen on the counter. Ain't that pretty? So you guys will see where I place everything in another video. Okay, so that goes here. Let you guys see that. And then, guys, I picked up this sandalwood and myrrh. This is a DW home candle. It is highly scented. Guys, I have lit this already. It smells so good. It was about right here. The guy gave it to me for $1.09. Do y'all see that? $1.09. It smells so good, and it's so pretty. I put this on my nightstand. So guys, remember I was telling you about the candles. When my candles burn out, when I see candles that's this size, I get them to go in here. So once this candle is burnt out, you can replace it with another candle, another whole candle, and it would melt down, and it would form to the size of the candle jar when you first got it, and it would look like you bought it. So yes, that is so pretty. So DW Home, Saddlewood, and Murph, beautiful find. Like I said, $1.09 for that. Last but not least, y'all, I love this. Do y'all see this? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this was, but guys, black was half off from Goodwill a couple days ago. I got this for $2.25. Isn't that beautiful? Really nice wood. Look at that. Distressed wood and everything. So pretty. I love the discoloration in the wood. I have to wash it so I can get this price tag off. But guys, this is like, what is that? What is this kind of metal? Oh, galvanized metal. And it's black. And it's so pretty. So I don't know if this is for serving or candles, but you guys already know I'm going to find a home for it. It has legs on it. You can hold it up like this if you wanted to use it for serving, or you can just put it on display. I might consider putting this on my nice shelf back there, guys. So yeah. So guys, this is everything that I thrifted, all my home decor items. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And guess what? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, I'm looking for something else. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite item and why was it your favorite? And I'll see you guys in another video really soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate having you here and coming and hanging out with me. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at simply_natural_black. And you can also find me on my other channel on YouTube at Simply Black Vegan. Bye, guys.